How to use ChatGPT for software development. ChatGPT can be used for software development in a variety of ways, such as 1. Research. ChatGPT can help you conduct research on various topics related to software development, such as programming languages, software development methodologies, frameworks, libraries, tools, and best practices. You can ask ChatGPT questions and get informative answers that can help you make informed decisions and improve your development skills. 2. Troubleshooting. ChatGPT can help you troubleshoot issues you encounter during software development. For example, if you encounter an error or bug, you can ask ChatGPT for guidance on how to fix it. ChatGPT can also provide you with information on how to optimize your code and improve performance. 3. Learning. ChatGPT can help you learn new programming languages, frameworks, and tools. You can ask ChatGPT questions about syntax, semantics, and best practices. ChatGPT can also recommend resources such as tutorials, online courses, and documentation to help you learn more effectively. 4. Collaboration. ChatGPT can facilitate collaboration between software developers. For example, you can use ChatGPT to ask questions or share ideas with other developers in a chat room or forum. Overall, ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for software developers looking to improve their skills, troubleshoot issues, learn new technologies, and collaborate with other developers. Here are some reliable resources that provide more information on using chatbots like ChatGPT for software development. How Chatbots Can Help Software Developers by Daria Kurbanova, published on Medium. This article explains how chatbots can be used by software developers for research, troubleshooting, learning, and collaboration. It provides examples of chatbots that are specifically designed for software development and highlights their benefits. Chatbots, a game changer for software development by Ayushi Mishra, published on DZone. This article provides an overview of how chatbots can be used by software developers to streamline their workflow and improve productivity. It explains how chatbots can automate repetitive tasks, provide real-time feedback, and facilitate collaboration. The benefits of using chatbots in software development by David Tyndall, published on devops.com. This article discusses the advantages of using chatbots in software development, such as reducing development time, improving communication, and enhancing the user experience. It also provides examples of chatbots that are used in different phases of the software development lifecycle.